Jacob & Co. Casino Tourbillon Pave. Main features are case diameter 44 mm, case thickness 16.30 mm, case material 18K rose gold, primary sapphire crystal front and case back. Gem setting 701 brilliant cut white diamonds, 21.50 carat. Case 440 diamonds. Dial 136 diamonds. Clasp 125 diamonds. Dial polished black onyx island, roulette wheel with 37 lacquered pockets, red, black, green. Hands skeletonized 5N rose gold with superluminova and red tips. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 ATM. Strap black alligator leather with 18K rose gold pave set folding clasp. Caliber JCAM 51, in-house, hand-wound. Number of components 268, 24 joules. Frequency 21,600 vibration per hour, 3 Hz. Power reserve 72 hours. Other functions are hours and minutes central. On-demand roulette animation pusher at 10 o'clock. 1 minute flying tourbillon, caseback, 6 o'clock position. Real roulette physics, 37 numbered pockets, 1 through 36 plus green 0, in lacquered red, black. Ceramic ball spins via spring-loaded mechanism. 8 rhodium-plated diamond deflectors on black PVD flange for authentic bounce. Crownless design winding and setting via 2 fold-out tabs on caseback, patented. Clean, symmetrical profile with 0 crown protrusion. Pave mastery, invisible setting technique for seamless diamond flow. Snow set pave on curved surfaces, bezel, lugs, mid-case. Baguette diamonds on clasp for contrast and grip. Design and wearability. Despite its 16.3 mm thickness, the Casino Tourbillon Pave wears surprisingly well due to curved sapphire crystal that tapers visually, ergonomic lugs and a flexible alligator strap. Balanced weight, gold plus diamonds equals 180 grams.